Hello everyone! Today we want to make a video clip of conversation about internet.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Hasael Susanto with my name 152350005 and my friend.
Hello, my name is Yuridis Seri Rahmat with name 152350009 and enjoy watching. Bye bye. Hi El, have you noticed how much the internet has changed our lives lately? It's like we can't live without it anymore.
Yeah, I have noticed that too. It's everywhere, but sometimes I feel we depend on too so much. It's a bit overwhelming.
I get what you mean. Sometimes it feels like the whole world is online. But honestly, I think the internet has made life a lot easier. Don't you think? Like, you can do almost anything with just a click: shopping, working, learning, even socializing.
Yeah, I guess, but don't you think it's a bit too much sometimes? People spend so much time on social media, watching videos or scrolling through news feed. It's like everyone living in a digital world, not in the real one.
Hmm, that's true. Some people do spend way too much time online, but I think it all depends on how you use the internet. It can be a tool for productivity or a way to stay connected with people, especially if you're far away from family or friends.
I get that. I mean, being able to call someone on the other side of the world instantly is pretty amazing. But I'm still worried about privacy and security. People share so much personal stuff online. Sometimes it feels like everything is out there for anyone to see.
Yeah, privacy is definitely a big issue. That's why we need to be careful about what we share online and always use strong passwords. But there are also lots of ways to protect yourself. For example, two-factor authentication is pretty effective, and there are apps to manage your password safely.
True, but even with authentication, things can still get hacked. I read that there are a lot of the trap happening these days. Do you really trust online or banking?
I understand your concern, but actually, most online services have advanced security measures like encryption. As long as you're using trusted website and bank question, I think it's pretty safe. For example, I only shop on sites that have HTTPS in the URL, which means they're secure. Hmm.
Okay, I see your point, but what about all the fake news that spread online? I feel like it's harder and harder to trust anything I read on the internet nowadays.
Ah, fake news is definitely a big problem, but there's a lot we can do to combat it. For instance, checking multiple, searching before believing something is a good habit, and using fact-checking websites or apps can help. Social media platforms are also working on improving how they handle misinformation.
Yeah, but sometimes it feels like it takes too much effort to find to the truth, and by the way, time you figure it out, the fake news has already spread everywhere.
That's a good point, Al. It's frustrating, for sure, but the internet also gives us a voice to challenge fake news and misinformation. More people are starting to question what they see online and are learning how to spot misleading content. I think the key is to be more aware and critical of what we consume.
I guess I have been little too cynical about the internet. It's just that with the discussion, it sometimes feel like we are losing touch with real life interaction. Do you think the internet is taking away from face-to-face conversation?
I think it's a bit of both. The internet can be a great tool to enhance real-life conversation, especially if you're learning new things or sharing experience with others. But yeah, sometimes it can replace in-person interaction, and that's not always great. Balancing both is really important, I think.
Right, I see what you mean. It's just too easy to fall into the trap of constantly checking your phone or being absorbed in online content. I think I need to take a break sometime and spend more time offline.
Definitely, a digital detox every once in a while can do wonders. It helps you reconnect with the world around you. But I think you, if used right, the internet can still bring a lot of value to our lives. It's all about balance.
Yeah, I suppose everything in moderation, right? The internet can be a great tool if we use it wisely. Maybe I should start using it more for learning, like you do with your online courses.
Exactly. You can find cars on practically anything. It's a fantastic way to develop new skills. You can even learn a new language or take up a hobby you've always wanted to try. The internet is like a library if you know how to use it.
I have heard a lot about online courses, but I never really looked into them. Maybe it's time to change that.
You totally saw. There are so many resources available. I've taken a few courses in graphic design and even some coding tutorials. It's been super helpful.
Sound interesting. Maybe I start with something simple like a photography course. I have always wanted to get better at taking pictures.
Great choice. You could even start a blog or an Instagram page to showcase your progress. You know, maybe you end up turning it into a side hustle.
That will be cool. Maybe I start today. Thanks for the suggestion, Adis. You have definitely made me see the internet in a new light.
Glad I could help. Just remember, the internet is what you make of it. With a little balance and caution, it can be a great way to learn, connect, and grow.
I kept that in mind. time to put down my phone and start exploring online courses. Thanks again, Adis.
You're welcome, El. Good luck and let me know what you end learning.